So you want to sell your house fast. How hard could it be? Might be a little bit more complicated than you think, but I got a couple tips that might help you out. Stay tuned. Hey, my name is Dan Roebuck. I am a local real estate professional in Southern California and a retired Marine Corps vet. And I am here today to talk about selling your home fast. When selling your home, the first thing you need to do is find a real estate professional. Directly after that, all you need to do is clean your home. Yeah, that's it. Just clean your home. Nah, I'm kidding. But you need to clean your home from top to bottom. Every nook and cranny needs to be clean and presentable. You want to put your best foot forward. You don't want to have a dirty home and have somebody have a bad taste in their mouth when they're leaving. You want somebody to walk into your home and be excited, look at the home and be able to be like, yes, that is my home. Clean, top to bottom. Don't forget the lawn, guys. It needs to be clean. Pluck the weeds, mow the lawn, trim the bushes, even the trees if need be. Next, you're going to want to declutter your house. And to help facilitate that a little bit, you're going to want to make sure that you get a storage unit. Just rent a small storage unit, something that you can put the large furniture items, the large electrical appliances that you might keep on the counters, the things that you don't use every single day. You're going to want to make sure that you put them away and somewhere that, not necessarily the garage, because, hey, when I view a home, I want to see that garage. I want to see what kind of condition it's in, and I want to see what kind of space that I'm working with. Next, you're going to want to get a handyman. A handyman can go through the house and make sure that everything is in proper working order. You got a loose faucet, tighten it down. You got a toilet that wiggles a little bit, make sure that it's on there properly. Next, you're going to want to paint your walls. Time and time again, I've walked into homes and seen bright orange walls, bright royal blue. I love royal blue. It's my favorite color, but not everybody's. So paint the walls, something neutral, something light, something airy, and really let the space speak for itself, not the colors. Next, you're going to want to remove all personal photos from the house. You're going to want to depersonalize. If there's something in the home that has deep personal value, go ahead and remove it. Put that along with the larger appliances and furniture that you have in that storage unit. And heck, it'll make moving a heck of a lot easier too. Well, that wraps up the short list of things you can do to help sell your house faster. If you found this information helpful, please like this video. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. I am a local real estate